Whoa! Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
What's that? You guys a snowman?
Yeah.
What's this ugly snow? Kayla, what's the snowman's name?
Mama, watch how we do
Cody.
the snow angels.
You're gonna fall and break your neck.
Oh, yeah?
Come over here and do it. Come here.
Mama, it would have been snowed there.
Come over here, right here, Crystal.
It would have snowed there.
Could you just come over here? Wow, you guys can't run in the snow.
Yeah, take a snare.
Come over here so I can get you in the phone camera. Come here.
Snow inside my eye. Snow inside my eye.
Lie down, let's see. Lie down.
Hey, no, I can't do it because there's not that much snow.
There's a lot of snow. Lie down right there.
Not that much.
Crystal, lie down over there.
Wait, you guys
Kayla, lie down over there. Kayla. Yeah, right there, Kayla. Wow. You made an angel. It's got to be about 1.5 feet of snow.
Hey, can we have a snowball fight?
Kayla, stand up. Let me see.
Crystal, you want to have a snowball fight?
It's up to your knees, Kayla.
Yeah, call Crystal.
Ma, what you doing? Take a picture.
Ma, call Crystal. Call Crystal. Ma, call Crystal.
Crystal! No, don't have a snowball fight because you guys are going to hurt each other.
No. Nah, the snow. You want to have a snowball fight? No.
Cody, no, you're going to hurt the girls.
Hey, yeah. Well, Kill, you want to come? We have your,
Cody, they don't have their gloves. They lost their gloves, Cody.
Yes, because Bradley's coming.
Hurry up, you guys come inside.
Cody, let's do snow. Wait, let's do snow angels.
Wow.